What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, we're working on my mom's car for a little bit. I gotta get the bolt out because I lost the 2 bolts I was going to compare it to. Stupid me, I know. Relax. I forget things sometimes. We all forget things, especially nowadays. But ow. Don't you hate when your nail bends? See, now I got that white mark. That always hurts. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna get to just bring the whole thing over there. We're working on it anyway, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, so we're working on my mom's car, and then I'm going to go to the gym later on today, like always now. But yeah, so hopefully get these 2 bolts, get the starter in. We should be able to get the intake manifold on it, just tighten a couple of things up, and we might be able to crank it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to crank it. It all depends if I can get all the wires all connected rightly together. But if all that goes right, then yeah, we might get a first crank on this thing. And after I put oil in, of course, we gotta put oil in first. And spark plugs. I think I have spark plugs too. Yeah, I need spark plugs. Yeah, so it's put us spark plugs, some antifreeze, and I think that's all I need. Antifreeze, that I got the oil, so an oil filter. That's all I need for this car. So I'm gonna go pick up that stuff and then we'll go from there. Alright, before I get out there, work on the cars, I'm having some breakfast. I'm having a banana, strawberry, blueberry smoothie with a little bit of Greek yogurt, and what else? Oh, a little bit of whole milk. I don't really like whole milk that much, but I decided to try it this time. It's not terrible. I don't think I'm gonna put it next time, but pretty damn good. It's pretty damn. I don't like much. I think it's a really thick smoothie, but I also don't mind a little water smoothie. I don't feel like adding more ice to make it thick, but honestly, I think I'm kind of starting to like little thinner smoothies now. But yeah, so in a few, we're gonna go out there, get to work on the car. Hopefully, like I said, get it cranking and maybe running. I'm not sure about that, but definitely cranking at least with the fluids in it. All right, so I had some good lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call that. Tastes pretty damn good to me. So I'm gonna go over here. Gotta get the stand for you guys so you guys can sit there and watch me work on the car a little bit. We can talk for a little bit and work and talk, right? Work and talk is what we do in life. All right, guys, we're back over here. We're gonna sit here and see what we gotta get done. I got the bolts for the starter, so we'll start with that, get that all situated. I'm gonna get that clamp tightened up so that we don't have issues with that. We don't want to be leaking, what's that, coolant? Yeah, coolant. We don't want to be leaking coolant, so gotta get that all buttoned up real quick, and then we're gonna get those bolts on. And then after that, I think after that, we just put the intake on. I think that's really all that's left on this part here. Oh, shoot. I gotta find that. I gotta find that hose. That's what I gotta find, actually. So that's one thing I gotta go look for off camera, because that's gonna be fun watching me running around this place trying to find that. But yeah, so I gotta find that, and then I can put the intake on. Alright, I wasn't even recording this whole time. But as I was talking to myself apparently about was, I don't know, like I said, I don't know what you guys are in politics. I'm not gonna get political here at all. You know, whatever it is, you believe, whatever. But listen, I was just on TV, and they were talking to Robert F. Kennedy right now, and talking about you know, what's he gonna do if he wants to be the HS, and I really truly believe that he is like a step in the right direction of what we need to do for health, because they're tearing about like, oh, medication, like we need lower medication, this, like, but then, you know, and he doesn't really have a plan. He has a plan for it, but he's like but it's like, and this is what he said, this is what I always said in life is, well, the medication cost, first of all, it's like, people who, if we would solve the disease, they wouldn't need the medication. So why don't we solve the problem and not try to aid the problem? You know, it's like, it's two different things. Like, why are we trying to hold on to medications? Like, we want to try to move away. As a society, we want to move away from medication. You know, as a society, it's like, we need to move away from medications. We can't be sitting here on medications all of our lives, and, you know, like I said, sorry, getting that a little tight on there. No, should be going that tight, but oh well. But what do you call it? So it's like, so whatever. Some of the senators were just talking like oh, it's like complaining about that, and it's like, but it's like, don't you want to solve the why we get these problems? Like, you know, one of my big beliefs is I'm hugely against doctors. Now, as I was just talking to you guys before off camera by accident, was that, you know, I haven't gone to a doctor since freshman year of middle school. Oh, not middle school. I almost said middle school. College. Now, listen, what happened when I went to the doctor, I was just getting shots. Now listen, I'm not scared of shots anymore. I don't care about shots. You know, gotta give me an IV shot, whatever. I don't give a shit. I haven't needed one for years now, thankfully. But one thing I did to train myself to not care as much was I trained myself to calm myself down to where I just don't care. Now I'm gonna go back a little bit for the doctor. When I went to at my school, I was trying to get out of a test, so I went to go draw blood, so you know, the lady basically when she put the monitor on me, now I was calming myself down a lot because I was starting to get anxiety just from like the whole thing kind of a little bit. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna just calm myself down. So I did the whole calming thing, and literally the girl goes, oh, you're at this rate, you're like dead, like your body rate's dead. And I'm like, what? She's like, well, it might be normal for you. And I'm like, oh, okay. I don't remember the actual numbers. You know, they put the thing on my finger, and I think they put the thing on my arm. But whatever it was, you know, at that point in time, and at that point I was blacking out a little bit. And I was like, oh, really? All right, okay, yeah. Yep. All right. Maybe I calm myself down too much, I guess. I don't know, whatever. So, went back to class, had to take the test. I was like, whatever. And then so then blah blah, that was senior year of high school. And then I went to go to college. I had to go to the doctors, you know, to get the shots, and you know, you had to get a medical thing for school. So I did that, and when I did that, what do you call it? When I did that, we what do you call it? So when I went to go do that, you know, I went in the doctor's office, I was fine, you know, blah, blah, blah. And we started talking, you know, they started talking about diseases, this, that, shots. And at that point, I just started naturally calming myself down. I was like calming, and I was telling her, and I was like, all right, I gotta stop her from talking. I feel again lightheaded. And as soon as I started telling her that, I wake up, I'm passed out on the thing, and I'm like, what just happened? I'm like, in my head, I'm saying, what just happened? I get myself up, and they come in, like, oh, you just passed out. And I'm like, they're rushing around, like, I'm freak. I just died. And I'm like, no, I'm good. I'm like, I'm good. You know, and all I told them was that, you know, I didn't eat anything this morning. So they gave me electrolytes and stuff like that, blah, blah. But that's when I realized that when I was at the doctor, when I was there, I calmed myself down way too much. So I can't go to doctors, but that's just a little side story of, like, you know, I just thought that I always find that funny with me. But long story short is that, you know, these senators keep complaining about these things, but like, we need to solve the issue of why. It's like so even down to our foods, like, all right, we are having a high increase in diseases, everyone in the United States, and it's like, why is that? The only thing all the things we have in common is food and water. So it's like, it's gotta be something. If we're all getting the same exact thing, it's something we're all sharing, which the only thing we're all sharing really is food and water. So it's like, something's gotta be in the food that is making everyone sick. Now, it's like, you know, and if it's not the food and water, the other thing, it's gotta be the medications. You know, to me, it's like, you know, they all have cause and effect. You know, if you go on TV, like I said, they have a whole thing that goes, oh, but if you take this, oh, here's the side effects: cancer, death, this, low sugar, this. It's like, all right, these medications have effects on us. Now, I'm a true believer in the human body and healing itself and being able to heal itself to a certain point. But I feel like we should focus on, you know, figuring out how do we have our bodies fight these diseases off, or allow our bodies to have that ability, you know. But sadly in life, it doesn't make the money in the world. So it doesn't make you money. If it doesn't make the government money, it's not going to go past through the thing, or it doesn't make anybody money. No one cares. So that idea gets thrown out the window. So that's a little bit of beliefs on mine. I just got the starter on and everything like that. Just got to get the intake on, and I gotta find that hose real quick if I can. All right, guys, I found the hose. So it was actually in the back of the car the whole time. I was just blind and couldn't see it, but got it now, so we're good on that. I just got to get this thing on. This thing's routed. Oh, where's this thing go to? I swear it went to that. Yeah, so yeah, like I said before, that's just kind of my little point of views on life. And, you know, like I said, especially I've always been into health and stuff. you know, lately now I've been going to the gym and stuff, and you know, that's just because I just want to just build a little muscle on myself. And I told you guys I was doing the whole calorie deficit thing, you know, just to try to, you know, try to get rid of all my body fat off me and stuff like that. So right now I was at 168. Right now I'm at I'm actually at 159. I weigh myself every morning just so I can have a chart that just shows, like, you know, the up and down of my weight every day. You know, not because I'm actually caring. Oh, my dog is barking. Okay, I need a... Alright, well, never mind about that. I gotta take this whole thing off now because these people just stupid and they broke it. They broke the one piece off, so now I gotta take off this whole hose and again take off this hose and put the original one on here because they broke the little plastic tab in the back. Yeah, see that right there? There should be a nub right there. I'll show you on the other piece here. You see? The little nub. Alright, got this one back on here. I always put oil on rubber gaskets because it always helps. Now, there is, like, I think studies that show or say that they it creates like a corrosion kind of on the rubber. It's not good for the rubber, but listen, it definitely does help it seal. I don't know if that's all rubbers or not either. That could just be some rubbers. I don't know the full studies. You guys do your own research on that if you guys really want to know more. But I always put a little oil on because it helps it seat nicer and at least guarantees that you're gonna have a seal. Alright, I don't know if I ever ended this video or not, but listen, I'm probably gonna throw this into the video. Got the intake on. I got new oil filter, oil, gasket, not gasket, spark plugs, and now these all into it. Now this is basically the first start of the engine. Actually, I put this ground on first, and then we'll do a first start of the engine, see if the thing runs. Alright, let's see what this girl can do. Hopefully, do a lot of good things. That's not happiness. Ugh.